stop. If you're planning to buy or invest in crypto or Bitcoin using coins.ph, then make sure to watch this video first. Dahil sa video nito, pag-uusapan natin, is it worth it ba using coins.ph? So yeah, let's go! Hi guys, Siplo here. Now, if you've been following my previous videos, alam nyo na I'm actually exploring mga different crypto exchanges, especially here locally. Kasi alam naman natin, yung mga global exchanges, yung mga global platforms, they are restricted dito sa Philippines. Kaya very important na we know saan ba tayo mag-i-invest in crypto here locally. Kaya when I revisited coins.ph, sobrang na-amaze lang ako sa mga changes nila. Sobrang daming mga changes. Kaya in this video, pag-usapan natin yung honest observation ko, tapos my own personal experience using coins.ph. And if this platform is something that you should consider using also. So yeah, let's get started. Most people, when they hear coins.ph, yung unang pumapasok sa mind nila is that a place to buy Bitcoin or crypto. Well, right now, they're actually more than that. Now, if this is the first time you're hearing about coins.ph, let me give you a quick context. They're actually one, if not the leading digital wallet and crypto exchange here in the Philippines. In fact, they are BSP regulated, tapos ito yung mga licenses nila. So far, kompleto naman yung mga licenses nila. And yes, they are pretty legit. In fact, as of this video, they actually have around 18 million users already. Kaya right now, let me share with you two of the major features of coins.ph. So let's start with the first feature. They're actually a digital wallet. Now, if you ask me, if you're investing in crypto, I feel like ito yung best feature na meron sila. Kasi ganito, yung number one concern ng mga tao interested in investing in crypto is that yung number one question la is, magagamit ko ba ito? Can I use this in the real world? Well, because of coins.ph, since they are a digital wallet, they're actually trying to bridge that gap. Now, if you're not into crypto naman, that's okay kasi again, it's a digital wallet. Coins.ph is a digital wallet, meaning you can use it to send money, you can use it to pay bills, pay your groceries using QRPH. So as long as tumatanggap ng QRPH yung mga merchants, then you can use your coins.ph to pay for your things. In fact, instead of me telling you, why not, I'll show you exactly how. So ngayon, we're in our coins.ph account. So this is how their dashboard will look like. So as you can see, my pay bills dyan, buy load, buy crypto, and so on and so forth. And in this video, bili tayo ng load. Okay? So again, they're a digital wallet. Yung goal nila is to bridge the gap by using crypto and real world. At the same time, again, if hindi ka into crypto, again, you can use it as a digital wallet. So what you can do is actually, you can go dito sa portfolio and dito makikita natin na meron tayong konting crypto dyan and we can convert this crypto to PHP. Okay, and yan yung gagamitin mo to pay bills, buy load, or use QRPH. However, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to cash in tapos bibili tayo ng load. So, dito sa cash in, so again, just like any digital wallet, pwede kang mag-cash in. And so far, sobrang dami nilang mga options dyan. You can use e-wallet, okay? So, maraming options dyan like GCash, GrabPay. So, pwede kang mag-cash in using e-wallets. You could also cash in using banks and even remittance center. So, in this video, we're gonna cash in using QR code. Itong QR code, InstaPay, para ma-receive natin kaagad. So, ngayon, let's open our digital bank. Tapos, what we're gonna do is scan QR natin. Okay? Tapos, scan QR. Ayun. Tapos, click next. And then, we're gonna cash in 500 pesos. Okay? Click next. Tapos, eto, move to my own account payment. Okay, payment. And then, transfer now. And then, boom. And that's it. Na-send ka agad, okay? So, if you notice dito, transaction complete, you receive cash in 500 pesos. Okay, ayun. So, meron na tayong 500 pesos. So, ganun lang kabilis mag-cash in. Ayun, nakapag-cash in na tayo, let's buy some load. Click lang natin yan, buy load. And then, sa akin, we have Smart. Okay? So far, yung Smart namin, we're gonna buy. Okay? Buy some load. Click natin yung Smart. Click next. Tapos, eto, may mga options. Magkano ba yung bibilhin natin? So, bili tayo. 300 lang siguro, no? Regular. Tapos, we're gonna input yung number dito. Click lang yung next. Tapos, ang galing. Wala palang fee. Okay? So, zero fee. Regular load, 300. Click natin buy load. And then, that's it. Processing na. 300 pesos. That's so easy to buy a load using coins.ph. Now, I check my Smart app. From 50 pesos kanina, pumasok naman kaagad diretso. 351 pesos na yung laman ng Smart natin. So, again, real-time yung pagbili ng load using coins.ph. Ngayon, as a digital wallet, ito yung feature na I wish meron sila. So, this is something that I really look forward to. If meron sila nito, it's gonna be a game changer. So, how I wish meron silang virtual card. Kasi just imagine, right now, pwede ka nang mag-pay bills, pwede ka nang mag-use ng QRPH, pero how amazing it would be na pwede natin mabayaran yung mga online subscriptions natin like Netflix, Spotify, using coins.ph. So, yan, sobrang gandang feature na yan. So, I hope magkaroon din sila niyan soon. Ngayon, let's talk about the second major feature ni coins.ph, and that is being a crypto exchange platform. If you've seen my previous video, I actually compared all the local crypto exchanges here in the Philippines. And if you're interested with that, I'll just put a link down in the description. But so far, ito yung results. And as you can see dito, coins.ph in terms of fees, okay, sila yung pinakamaliit in terms of fees. In fact, that's just 0.1% difference. That's so crazy. Halos parang wala ng fees compared with other crypto exchanges. Now again, disclaimer, this is just my own experiment and by any time pwede nilang ma-change yung mga fees na to. But so far, ngayon, here in the Philippines, sila yung pinaka maganda, pinaka maliit when it comes to fees. Kasi meron na kasi sila ngayong spot trading kung saan you can really buy crypto based dun sa price talaga on the market. Compared kasi sa iba na merong spread, in coins.ph, they are spot trading, meaning very minimal lang talaga yung fees nila. Now, as a crypto platform, ito naman yung feature na I wish meron sila. So, ako, I'm a dividend investor and sobrang ganda if meron silang tinatawag na staking or earn feature. Bakit? Kasi this will give users the reason to hold their crypto inside coins.ph. In fact, balik tayo sa coins.ph. So, if you notice dito, actually, meron naman silang kinda like staking or earn feature. So, if you see dito, meron silang tinatawag na lunch pool. Okay? Tapos, dito sa lunch pool, it's like you're gonna lock up, okay? You lock up your tokens and you'll get airdrops in return. So, meaning, you hold your crypto, tapos you'll receive some rewards in return. Again, as a dividend investor, yan yung love natin, di ba? Kikita tayo, money working for us. Tapos, at the same time, paminsan-minsan meron silang promo. Like right now, meron silang ito, TGPB, okay? So, this is like tokenized pounds, okay? So, US dollar, ito naman pounds. So, buy, hold, and earn up to 8% rewards. So, July 6 to September. So, at least, by holding, kikita ka ng returns. In fact, trinay ko siya, okay? So, punta tayo sa portfolio. Okay, trinay ko siya. So, I invested a little just to really check it out. Tokenized pound. So, click natin yan. And if you notice dito, ayun, meron naman system distribution. Kumita tayo ng 0.02 pounds. Okay, so 2 times na tayo nakatanggap ng 0.02 pounds. So yeah, this is a feature na I really wish sooner or later magkaroon din sila ng staking or earn feature ang coins.ph. So yeah, those are the two major features of coins.ph. Number one, it's a digital wallet that you can use to send, pay bills, and use crypto in real life. And number two, a crypto platform which I think is the best place to buy and invest crypto here locally. So if you want peace of mind in investing in crypto na you're not gonna worry na maban ng SEC, okay, then coins.ph is for you. Now, if you're interested to open an account, I'll just put a link down in the description or visit my link teopilo.com/coinsph or use my referral code TEOPILO. Now, if you use my code, meron tayong good news dahil mamimigay tayo ng prices exclusive sa community natin. So again, if you use my code, again, teopilo.com/coinsph or use my referral code na TEOPILO, mamimigay tayo ng one winner of 3,000 pesos. One winner of 3,000 pesos by just opening your account using my link. Now, if you're gonna deposit a minimum of 1,000 pesos until August 30, okay, eto, mamimigay tayo 2 winners of 5,000 pesos each. So yeah, that's a total of 13,000 pesos in prizes. So again, one winner of 3,000 pesos by using my link and 2 winners of 5,000 pesos if you deposit a minimum of 1,000 pesos until August 30. Now, yung winner natin, we will be announcing it in our official Facebook page on August 31. So again, this is my Facebook page. Make sure naka-follow ka rin doon kasi that's where we're gonna be announcing our winners. So again, use my link, okay, down in the description, teopilo.com/coinsph or use my referral code TEOPILO and open your coins account now. Now, if you're interested dun sa experiment ko na ginawa, I compared mga different crypto platform here in the Philippines, at the same time, even global platform, you can check out this next video and I'll see you there.